We stand behind and support our graduates, but they're out there doing real roles. From day one, they are in a role where they can make a difference to the economics of this company.
Gabby arrived on the Ineos graduate scheme the year before I did and has pretty much been blazing a trail ever since. She's a very tough act to follow.
Gabby's just moved to Switzerland for a brand new role as business development manager. She had a very strong commercial flair, a task to achieve. It was by a lot of energy. We can't run our plants if we don't have gas and power. We brought her in to work on those negotiations and learn through the hard knocks of sitting in front of a supplier and working with the sites to really understand what they need. And through that you get to know Ineos better as well. At the moment there's a lot of public sentiment about plastics in the environment. Gabby's leading a couple of sustainability activities, not only because of her natural drive and leadership, but also because it's a different and more youthful look at what is becoming a more public problem. Her attitude is very proactive. She's a doer.
I first met Gabby properly when we were doing the Namibia Challenge together. It was a major journey for everybody on that trip, but particularly for Gabby, who had never really run before. It was pretty inspiring to see her whole lifestyle change. Her attitude was supremely determined, and that's Gabby in a nutshell, really.
I think that's the one thing I've ever heard Gabby wonder whether she could do. And she got on with it and trained for it and did it magnificently.
The Gabby that we saw in the desert is exactly the same Gabby you see in the office. Somebody who's really bold, really spirited, really determined.
Ineos has taught me to really push myself, challenge myself, even on a daily basis. You would never have assumed from joining quite young that actually you'd be given the sustainability-oriented opportunities. And so those expectations, from my point of view, have just exploded. I have to pinch myself every single day because actually that is my life.